Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Wait till I tell you what this truck has to offer. It's a 1964 Chevy C10 Custom. I don't mean custom that it's customized, but it's a custom, it's a deluxe version back then. But back in the day, trucks were work trucks. You used them on the farm, you used them to haul equipment. It's not like today where you got them all decked out and that would be your everyday car. So back then, they were 6 cylinders, they had the manual shift on the column, they didn't have power steering, they didn't have power brakes. This one does. This thing was even ordered with air conditioning. It's a factory air conditioned truck, 283 V8, power glide automatic, power steering, power brakes, deluxe truck. Got bumper guards. They've added seat belts and they actually upgraded the brakes in front to disc. And it's restored like brand new. Probably better than it looked when it was new. Great colors. So got a really amazing truck right here. You can go to volocars.com, read all about it, study all the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find price tags on all of the collector cars we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me, let's go for a spin. It's a Southern truck. I was told it was body off frame restored. The floor pans, the rockers, the braces, the frame, all looks like nice clean metal painted a semi-gloss black. I seen miscellaneous front end components that were replaced, so I'm sure they went through the front end, like pitman arm, ball joints look like they're new. Shocks all the way around have been replaced. It's a dual exhaust system with the Dynamax mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's absolutely immaculate. The Chevy orange on the oil pan, the motor is spotless. The starter looks new. The flywheel cover is new. And it has the Power Glide automatic transmission that also looks fresh. The pan, the bolts, the trans, all looks fresh. Has a 12-bolt rear end in the back. The wood slats are all refinished, so from the bottom, they're finished on the bottom too. When you look up under there, you'll see refinished wood. And the brakes were restored. E-brake is hooked up, and like I said earlier, they did upgrade to disc in the front instead of the drum. That was all that was available back then. So underneath the truck is really clean. The body, first of all, the color, Crystal Turquoise, it just pops. It screams vintage. Fantastic color with the white roof, and it's in excellent shape. Let's go around it together. All the fit right here is real good, straight, no damage. The body is excellent. I don't see any issues with the metal. Fits real nice on this side. Fender, clean fender, straight. That's a long bed. You look in the mirror, you look behind you, it's like, wow, that thing goes on forever. But the body is amazing. No damage, no bubbles. Corner of the cab's clean. The bed is clean and straight. Even up on top here is no dents or damage. The body's looking amazing. Tailgate looks amazing. Over here, this side's just as good. No rust damage. It's absolutely straight. Fits real nice. We got a really, really nice body. The paint is smooth as glass. It's polished beautifully. I have not found a flaw. I haven't found a nick or a chip or anything. The roof is excellent. So now all the trim. The custom, I don't know exactly what all that means. I'm sure the side moldings have something to do with it. You know, a chrome cap, the trim here does have chrome handles. Nice new mirrors. I do know the custom included a polished grille, just the standard one. This would have been all painted. The bumper would be painted, but instead, this is all chrome. Says Chevrolet, real proud. It has bumper guards. So you got a nice sparkling front end. All looks like new. The windshield is original. I'm surprised they didn't replace that. Not that it's bad, but the rest of the truck is so brand new. There are some wiper marks in the glass, but it's not cracked or anything, just has some wiper marks. Has the air conditioning sticker right here. All the gaskets are new. The windshield gasket around the vent window, the fuzzy window seals, the rubber around the back window, that's all been replaced. All these side moldings and the emblems all been replaced. Door jambs painted beautifully. Weather strips are replaced. Shuts real nice. Now the wheels, they're restored. They're painted to match. Sparkling hubcaps. These are reproduction tires. That's what would have been on there. Still has the nubs on the tread. I'm trying to see what actual make they are. Silvertown, BF Goodrich Silvertown, reproduction tires. The back bumper's chrome, that was an option. The tailgate trim here looks like it's redone. The tail lights, Chevrolet's painted in white. Exterior of the truck is really spectacular. I didn't find anything wrong except for a few wiper marks in the windshield. So why don't we stop it and we'll look inside and under the hood. So this is the good old tailgate. You just unhook this chain, you drop the tailgate down, and you rehook the chain to it, and it holds the tailgate up. There's no latches, there's no power buttons, there's no ladders that fold out of it like in today's truck. Just a good old tailgate. Inside this bed is beautiful. Refinished, looks like oak with the stainless strips in the middle. All the hardware is stainless steel. And look at the wheel wells and inside the bed. It's spotless. There's not a dent, no rust, no damage. Looks like this has never even been used. It's been used to haul pillows. The back glass is real clear. I almost think the back window's new. And then look at the door. There's no fancy door panels back then. It's all of the metal, but it's painted real nice and slick. Does have a new armrest that matches the upholstery, new handles. Up front by the hinges, the nuts and bolts are restored. Now, inside the car is restored like new. This whole lens looks like new. It has actual gauges. I assume that was optional. You would have got just dummy lights back then. But all this is mint. This is something you'll rarely see. This is the factory air conditioning unit. That's where the ashtray would be. So look where we've got the ashtray now. I'm told those are really rare to find that ashtray. So I'm assuming this was always a factory air truck, because where would you find this ashtray? You would have just not put it in there. So you have all the AC knobs, you have an original radio, you got glove box liner is new, heater box is painted, the firewall insulation's replaced. Beautiful steering wheel. Now all this is painted and the chrome is sparkling. Actually the whole inside of the cab is all repainted. The nice turquoise, you got nice white visors, new mirror, reupholstered seat. Has seat belts. So inside the truck is really in mint condition. Got nice carpet on the floor. Most of them probably would have just been a rubber mat back then. And behind the, before you run away, behind the seat is where the gas tanks were in these. So we love our trucks these days. You look on the street and it seems like every other vehicle is a truck. And the people have them all decked out. So here's a chance to buy a vintage truck that's all decked out. So 283 motor, I checked the dates and codes. It's a 64 283. It appears to be the correct motor for the car. And this is restored like the concourse condition. The air cleaner, the valve covers, the manifolds, everything is correct. Here's the factory air conditioning system. Has been updated to the 134 Freon. This is all part of the air conditioning and heater system. Got overflow bottle for the radiator, it looks like. And all the metal surfaces are smooth and clean like a chalkboard. Hinges are new, nuts and bolts are new, the shroud's new. It has a metal radiator pipe with the hoses on the ends. We have power steering down there, power brakes up here. We got the horns, looks like all new wiring. Got a show quality motor compartment. So there you have it. The condition is really impressive. The colors pop and the option list is just amazing. This is a rare, unique truck, and that's why I bought it. It was the air conditioning that really put me over the top and said, I got to have this. Finding an automatic with a V8 is one thing, and power steering and brakes, that's a whole nother thing. Throw air conditioning into the mix. That's rare and special. So there you have it. That's my impression of this old pick-em-up truck. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to talk to them. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.